Are you ready to supercharge your business with lightning-fast internet speed? Today, we're diving deep into the world of business fiber optic internet and uncovering the secrets behind its incredible performance. But before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our awesome tech tips and tricks. Picture this: seamless video conferences, lightning-fast file transfers, and a network that can handle all your high-intensity tasks without breaking a sweat. That's the power of fiber optic internet. So what exactly is fiber optic internet? It's a high-speed connection that uses specialty cables to deliver reliable broadband directly to your business. These cables transmit data using light, which makes them incredibly efficient and less prone to interference. It's like having the autobahn of the internet right in your office. Now let's talk about installation. Fiber optic cables can be placed underground or even along telephone poles. It's all about getting that infrastructure in place so you can take full advantage of the incredible speeds fiber internet has to offer. And guess what? AEBC Internet is here to help you every step of the way. But wait, there's more. With dedicated fiber internet, the network is exclusively yours. No more sharing bandwidth with your neighbors or worrying about slowdowns during peak hours. Plus, it offers top-notch security for your business. It's like having a VIP link for your internet connection. Now let's talk about speed. Fiber optic internet can deliver blazing fast speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Just imagine the possibilities for your business: streaming videos, transferring large files, and running bandwidth-intensive applications without missing a beat. It's like giving your business a jetpack. Now let's talk comparisons. Fiber optic internet goes head-to-head with other high-speed options like cable, dial-up, and DSL. Spoiler alert, it comes out on top. With lightning-fast speeds, reliability, and symmetrical upload and download rates, it's a game-changer for businesses like yours. So does it make sense for your business to have fiber internet? Absolutely. If you rely on high-speed connections for your day-to-day operations, fiber optic internet is the way to go. And here at AEBC, we're committed to helping Canadian entrepreneurs like you take full control of their business. If you're ready to turbocharge your business with fiber optic internet, click the link in the description below to start an inquiry. And don't forget to follow us for more tech insights and exciting updates. Stay connected, stay ahead. See you in the fast lane.